Ready to move and rename files like a pro in Python? Let's automate your file management tasks. In this quick tutorial, we'll be learning how to move and rename files in Python. We'll cover moving files between directories, renaming files, handling potential errors, automating file management tasks for real-world use cases. I'll be using VS Code for this tutorial, but feel free to use Jupyter Notebook or any IDE you prefer. Let's start by importing the necessary libraries. The OS module provides functions to interact with the operating system, for example, navigating directories. The shutil allows us to perform high-level file operations like copying and moving. We'll use these modules to perform tasks like moving files and checking if file exists. But first, let's make sure we are working with some files. We'll create some sample files to work with. Here is how you can create them in Python. This creates a folder if it doesn't exist, while the open method creates files file1.txt and file2.txt inside the source underscore folder. Now let's move these files into a different folder. First, create the destination folder. The shutil.move method moves the file from the source folder to the destination folder. What happens if the file already exists in the destination? You will overwrite it unless you add extra checks. Let's move file2.txt to the destination folder and rename it in the process. This does both the moving and renaming in one step. The file will now be named renamed_file2.txt. Let's handle potential errors. What if the file doesn't exist? We can check that. The try except block catches the file not found error if we attempt to move a file that doesn't exist. If you try to move a file that doesn't exist, it's frustrating. Always handle exceptions to prevent your script from crashing. What if you want to move all files from one folder to another? You can look through the folder like this. This lists all the files in the folder. We'll check if each item is a file, then move it. Once the files are moved, we might want to clean up and delete empty folders. This removes the directory, but it also works if the folder is empty. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll dive deeper into automation, file versioning, and other cool features in future tutorials. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.